This is lesson 15 for beer characteristics, and in this lesson we're going to cover the musty characteristic in beer. The musty character in beer. Musty characters are often described as earthy, moldy, reminiscent of damp cellars, old books, or decomposing wood. As you can imagine, this is an undesirable character in beer. There's a couple of causes of musty off flavors. One is mold or mildew growth. Mold or mildew can grow in improperly stored malts and even in malt extracts. And it can grow on brewing equipment, and without proper cleaning and sanitation, it can contaminate our beer. A musty flavor can also come from refrigerator contamination. Mildew inside a fermentation refrigerator can transfer a musty aroma to our beer. Oxidation can lend to musty notes. It produces a more corked or cellared-like note to our beer. This used to be an acceptable character in the bière de garde style, but now it's considered more of a flaw. There are some measures we can take to prevent a musty character in our beer. Using fresh ingredients. Use fresh malts and extracts free from contamination. Store our malts properly. Store them in cool and dry environments to prevent mold or mildew growth. And make sure that we are thoroughly cleaning and sanitizing all of our equipment. If we're using a refrigerator for fermentation control and long-term storage, there's a couple of maintenance practices we need to be aware of. We should regularly clean and sanitize the interior of the refrigerator. And be sure to sanitize all the interior surfaces to avoid contamination. The musty character in summary. Musty flavors stem from mold, mildew, and oxidation. Regular cleaning, fresh ingredients, and proper storage are essential for preventing musty notes. And if we detect a musty aroma and flavor in a beer that we are judging for our judging/tasting exam, we can note, be sure to use fresh ingredients and thoroughly clean and sanitize all equipment to avoid musty flavors and aromas. And that does it for musty. I will see you in the next lesson.